Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Patria and Ukraine's General Cherry sign letter of intent on planned drone production in Finland for European defense customers. Patria plans to launch drone production in Finland through a proposed partnership with Ukrainian manufacturer General Cherry. The companies signed a letter of intent on the 23rd of August covering cooperation on unmanned systems for Western European defense requirements. The agreement would combine General Cherry's battlefield experience and small drone portfolio with Patria's production capabilities and defense technology expertise. General Cherry specializes in strike first-person view drones, fiber optic systems, aerial target interceptors and fixed-wing unmanned aircraft. The partnership comes as drones, sensors and electronic warfare take a larger role in military operations. Patria is developing unmanned systems within an architecture that connects sensors, communications, data, artificial intelligence and operating platforms. Unmanned defense systems are central to the future of defense, which is why we have invested in development of unmanned systems for years as part of our operations, said Mikko Leino, Executive Vice President of Patria's Defense and Weapons Systems Business Area. The partnership with General Cherry further reinforces Patria's expertise in unmanned defense systems and drone development. It is a great honor for us to begin a productive, long-term and effective partnership with Patria, one of the leading defense companies, said Stanislav Hrysshyn, co-founder of General Cherry. We believe that our unique battlefield experience, combined with Patria's technological capabilities, can help drive a fundamental transformation of the European and global security architecture. There are many challenges and tasks ahead, and we are confident that we will overcome them together, Hrysshyn said. Patria has been an active participant in Ukraine's defense research and development ecosystem for several years. The Finnish company has expanded its product offering and expertise in unmanned systems. Its current work includes next-generation capabilities and artificial intelligence-enabled technology for unmanned aircraft. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.